Under the most difficult circumstances imaginable, they have completed every mission they've been given, and they've forged countless partnerships and friendships with the Iraqi people. Our teachers can prepare the best lesson plans imaginable, but you all can't guarantee that your students will show up ready to learn. It's also the best imaginable recruiting tool for Al-Qaeda.
And values that you simply can't teach anywhere else. A relentless commitment to excellence, the ability to juggle multiple priorities, the wherewithal to meet deadlines under every circumstance imaginable. They know how to develop and execute complex strategic plans.
I did meet Rory McIlroy last year, and Rory offered to get my swing sorted, which was a polite way of saying, Mr. President, you need help. None of that would have been imaginable a generation ago. One last thing I want to say about this, though, Steve. Just as I have continued to have faith in our mission, most importantly, I've had unwavering confidence in our troops and their performance in some of the most difficult situations imaginable. Human beings have been beheaded with videos of the atrocity distributed to shock the conscience of the world. And Sunday morning, that sanctuary was violated in the worst way imaginable.